Okay, so let's say you used a template and you made this design for your social media. It's great, but it just needs a little bit of something. So I want to show you how you can take your text box here and just make the font just look a little bit more fun, make it stand out a little bit more, your words. So I'm going to make sure the purple box is around my words here. I'm going to come up to this toolbar and I'm going to hit effects. Okay, so now it's going to pop up over here, and let's try and hit lift, and let's see. So see what lift did? I can show you the difference. Nothing and lift. It just makes it stand out a little bit better. Let's go back to nothing and let's try shadow. Okay, so let's see what shadow did. We'll take it off, put it back on. All right, it just gives it a little bit more something to look at. Another one that I like is splice. Okay, and do you see what that did? None, and then splice. All right, you can even come in here and grab one of your other brand colors and splice it in, and that's pretty fun to look at. Okay, so that's awesome. You can also, if we go into effects, you can also put an outline on the letters. And again, you can change out what that outline color is. All right, and now it looks like this. Let's get out of there. We can also do echo, which is just a little something. Or you can do a background. All right, so see, this has a little bit of a colored green background. We could take it and make it a blue background. All right, lots of choices here. We're gonna go back to the splice. I really liked that. And we're gonna change it again to that blue. All right. That's how you add some effects to your words to make them stand out a little bit more in your post. Follow for more.